how to see who subscribe you on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you see who subscribe to you on YouTube. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the YouTube application on your device. Alright, so after you open the YouTube, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so simply from here, you can go to the option view channel. Okay, so from this interface you can know your subscriber, and if you have any subscriber or new followers or subscriber, you'll have to just tap on that subscriber option, and from there you can easily browse your subscriber from this app, or you can also go through the alternative application that is YouTube Studio. So from there you can easily find the subscriber on your YouTube channel. So simply open the YouTube Studio. And now from here you can easily know or view your total subscriber on your YouTube channel. So right now I have the 0 subscribers. So if you have any new subscriber, you have to just tap on that subscriber option, and from there you can easily view or see who subscribed to you on YouTube. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.